Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Don't drink that water. Okay, okay, it's okay. Stay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Stay there. A little stuff in you? Yeah.
Did he drop his treat in your bowl?
Good boy. Good boy. That's right behind me. Yeah, behind me. Good boy. Watch those legs. Watch those legs. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Let me get the wee wee. Mm-hmm. You gotta watch that wee wee. Yeah, that wee wee is disgusting. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Oops. You okay? You okay? You okay? Yeah. I may have to warm it up a little bit more for honey, okay? Yeah. It's cooling down. It's cooling down. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just trying to take all this stuff away from you. Yeah. Yeah. It's all good. I love this hair because it's so soft, and it's so, it comes out. You can see the soap, and it dries so quick. I used to love bathing on Rocky. Now, Parent Rambo, and when he does ooh like that, you get the hair. I gotta get this other side. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I gotta make sure the soap is out, Poppy. Yeah, I do. Now I need the rag. I gotta make sure that soap is out. Now you gotta go prick you down. Bring it down. Come on. I gotta do your face. Come on. I gotta do your face. You can't go out there with your face dirty after your whole body is clean. Right? No, and your ears. Yeah. See? Your ears. Yeah.